Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now let's find the value for x power 4 plus y power 4. Now we have x plus y is 7, xy is given 10. So find the value for x power 4 and y power 4. Now to find the value for this one, so there is a relation where we can say a4 plus b4 is equals to square of a plus square of b whole square minus 2 square of a and square of b. So here is the relation for this one. So the exponent is 4 here, exponent 4 here, same. We have the exponent 4, exponent 4. And this is the relation in that case. That means now we can change this x4 plus y4 in the same form where square of x and square of y whole square minus 2 square of x and square of y. So simply this form and this form, they are in the same form. So we have the formula for that. Now in that case, we have the value for x plus y, which is 7. Now, if you have the value for x square plus y square, then we can find this value. Now, just like a power 4 plus b power 4, this relation, we have the similar relation for a square and b square. So that simply is a plus b whole square minus twice ab. So the same relation here where square of a plus square of b. So we can see here the square of x and square of y. Let's first find the value for square of x, square of y, where the relation is now x plus y whole square minus 2xy. So you can compare here with square of a plus square of b, and this is square of x and square of y. Now we have the value for x plus y, which is 7. Now this is square, and the value for xy is given, which is just 10. So that is 49 minus 20, which is the value of 29. Now once you have the value for square of x, square of y, we can use here. Now this will be 29 square, and since we have the value for xy, which is 10, so now this will be 10 square. Let's rewrite this equation once again. So x4 plus y4 is equals to now here square of x, square of y whole square minus 2x square y square. Now just calculated the value of this is equals to 29. That simply means we can write here 29 square, and this is simply x y square. So 29 square is equals to 841 minus, now this is in square, the value of x and y is 10. So that is 841 minus, this is 2 times 100. That is now 841 minus 200. Simply the value for x power 4 and y power 4 is 641. It's very simple. Thank you for watching video. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.